welcome back to Pray.Plan.Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. So yes, we are doing a unboxing of Grove Collaborative, okay? Now, I'm gonna let you know this is actually a two-part haul. Well, not a two-part, but I actually got 2 orders of this, of Grove Collaborative, and we are going to let you guys know what I got, okay? Yes. I actually already filmed this video, but it accidentally got deleted, and it was a haul video that included Dollar Tree products too, but I've already used my Dollar Tree stuff, so we're just redoing the Grove Collaborative haul. And then in the very next video, which is already filmed, we will be discussing multiple ways, well, one particular way on how to start saving money, okay? I'm like super excited about that. And hubby is slightly excited about that too. So anyways, so in this haul, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Grove Collaborative. If you would like to try Grove Collaborative, I will leave a link down below in the description box. It's pretty cool. You pay 20 bucks for a whole year to get free shipping, and if you have a set amount already in your cart, every single month or every other month, however often you want your subscription, as long as it's at least $40, they ship it to you. So, I know I'm on a budget and I'm not supposed to be spending a lot of money, but hubby really wanted hand wash and he likes their hand wash. So I went ahead and picked up a few other items as well. Like I said, I actually had 2 boxes, okay? So, here we go. So first I want to show you guys, I picked up this Method anti-back bathroom cleansers and the scent Spearmint. I wanted something a little safer for the kids to use when they clean their bathroom. Now I do still have the Mrs. Meyer's bathroom spray that's in my bathroom, but I wanted something for them. I know both sprays are okay, but I wanted something for them that will stay in their bathroom. So I picked this up for their bathroom. Got 2 of these dish soaps here. And this is in Bluebells or Humble Bluebell scent. So I got 2 of these. So this is just dishwashing liquid. I picked up a couple of multi-cleansers, and I actually have already started using them. At least 2 of them I've already started using. I picked up the honeysuckle one from Mrs. Meyer's, and I also picked up the lemon verbena, this one right here, the green one. So I picked up both of these. I also picked up, I believe this is a seasonal scent. It's spiced pumpkin, and this is what the bottle looks like. Now I haven't sprayed it, in all honesty, I don't like the scent of pumpkin, but I was like, it's spiced, so it might be nice. So once I try this out, I will let you guys know if I like it or not. And I'm still working through my 2 bottles that has the rose scent. I love the scent of rose. So I'm almost done with those 2 bottles. Now, I will let you guys know one of these hand soaps is open because I actually have it in my kitchen. Well, it's not in my kitchen right now, but I went ahead and picked up 2 more of the honeysuckle hand soaps here. So this one here, this is for my kitchen, and then I have one in my bathroom that came in my very first order. And I picked up another one. So we couldn't wait for hand soap, so I went ahead and already pre-opened the box, and I put this in the kitchen. And so far we are loving this particular scent. We love it. I went ahead and picked up some more hand soap. We picked up this one here. This is, I believe this is a limited edition holiday scent too. This is in apple cider. It smells like spiced apples. Like, it's not my favorite scent, but it's not bad either. So we picked up this one. I also picked up a lavender one. It looks like this one. Now, I have smelled this one, and this one, it's not the lavender scent like you would get in, what I want to call it, in a lavender oil, okay? It's a different type of lavender, like there's something else in there. I'm not sure what it is, but I did pick up the lavender one. Now the one that I really do like the smell of, besides honeysuckle, is this one right here. This is in the scent Mum. This is a limited edition. I believe this is the holiday scent too, so I want to make sure I go back and get some more of these. It's M-U-M, Mum, and this smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. So then I have one more thing that I want to show you guys that I need to go get because it's in my room. So another item that I picked up from Grove is this Heal Your Soul by Dr. Bronner's. This is their 18-in-1 hemp lavender pure castor oil soap. So there's 18 different uses that you can use this soap for. You can wash your dog, you can wash your clothes, you can wash your dishes, you can wash your face, you can wash your body. Yeah, there is so many different uses for this soap, and I really want to try this out. Now my sister, she's been using it for a long time, and she told me about it last year, and she told me how you can use it for all the different uses, but I just never bought it. But I did get her one for Christmas. I think it might have been lavender, I'm not really sure, but yeah, I picked this up because I really wanted to try this out. And I know on the bottle it says dilute. It's telling you to dilute. It's telling you to use like a couple tablespoons for certain things. It's also an all-purpose cleanser. You can use it to clean your fruits and vegetables. Wow. You can use it to wash, to clean your floors. Then you can use it to shave with. You can also use it as a spray to prevent bugs from messing with your plants. And add in a dash of cayenne pepper. Alright, so you guys, I am going to test this out. I really want to try this baby out. I think I want to try this out for my makeup towels, my reusable makeup towels, to see if it removes the makeup out of it. That will be really, really nice. Cool. That's like a money-saving trick right there. So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. So I'm super happy to have picked this up. And this is 32 full ounces. And it says to dilute it. So that was all I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Like I said, I had previously filmed this video, but I accidentally deleted it yesterday. Don't know how I did that. So it is officially the last day of summer. Super sad, but super excited for the fall season where it's not too hot and it's not cold. It's more of the cooler weather. So I'm excited to experience that season out here in Texas. I'm super excited. Don't know how I really don't know what I think about that. So yeah, like I said, today is officially the last day of summer. So it is Monday, September 21st. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.